Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and was just sent this really cool looking rattan and carbon cherry colored accent table or end table. This seems to be built really well. This is a nice heavy duty feeling material on this, and it comes in all the separate pieces. All of them I've kind of got here laid out. Nice instruction guide here. And again, all of the parts, this uses a typical cam lock system that's used to put a lot of furniture together. And everything seems to be laid out pretty well on here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start putting this together, and then we'll kind of show you a few steps and then show you the finished product. As we get to putting these pieces together, they're all going together really well. It's going to use these pegs in this cam locking pegs like this, and they're just simply going to insert into each other like that. And then as you insert these in, you're just going to turn these cams one at a time, and that's going to lock those in place. So we're going to go ahead and get all these pieces put together as it states for these shelves, for these drawers, and they're all just going to lock into place. You got to do two sides, one for each side, and then we'll move on to the next step. Sides and everything went together really well. This is really turning out to be a very sturdy piece, which I like, and the fact it's very solid. Slid the back in, and now I'm just going to put the top on using these same cam pieces. We're going to go ahead and put that on, and it should line up directly with the back. So we're going to do that and get all the holes lined up and get it pushed together. So now we just need to assemble the two drawers to get it put into our cabinet here. You're going to take the remaining pieces, and all the cam holes and everything are going to line up with this, as well as with these lines in the back, which are going to hold your bottom plate for this here. So we're going to insert those down and then put this back plate in like this, and then screw on the back piece here and add the handle. Then when we're done doing that, you'll come up with a drawer that will look very similar to this right here. And then it's very simple to just go ahead and take these back pieces here, and we're going to go ahead and attach them on like I did over here, and then they're ready to slide into the cabinet. So here we have our completed kind of a boho style rattan cabinet. This is about 24-25 inches high, 15.5 inches deep, and about 27 inches wide. This is a very nice nightstand side cabinet, which has the two drawers with this nice circular knobs on here again that pull out. Glides extremely well on this. They do remove if you wanted to lift them up and out of there, so if you needed to dump them out you can do that, but it has a nice solid bottom on there on both sides of those drawers that pull out like that. And it has this wide opening here at the bottom if you wanted to put a basket or some towels or anything underneath there. It did come with some pads that you can put on the underneath side of the feet of this carbon cherry color, which I think goes really nice with the rattan. So everything on this seems to be a great build. It seems to be a good solid quality, a good size, and I think it would make a great addition for any room.